show you how to install a hitch on the Forester. Take out all this stuff. Alright, so I already have the hitch installed, but I was just going to show you guys how it was done. Take that off. Need the little pry tool to get these two little clips off. This little guy. Okay, and that comes out. It stays. It's 10mm on this one. This comes out like that. So 10mm there. Holds that in. And then this little thing covered it up. Get behind this thing to grab the panel. But first, take this bottom one off because it's on top of this part. Pull that out. Some of these clips will come off and you'll just have to put them back where they came out. Alright, so the harness is right there that you'll find behind the panel. And it's just a simple plug in. And then the only other thing you have to do is, of course, attach the ground wire, which I actually did it on this bolt that was down here. So whenever you're putting it all back together, you line this up and get the 10mm through it, and then it's grounded. And put it all back together.